To claim Delta miles after a flight and redeem Delta SkyMiles for flights. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have a Delta SkyMiles account, which you can create on the Delta website if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, log into your Delta SkyMiles profile and navigate to the My Account section. Here, you can view your current mileage balance and any recent activity. If you have taken a recent flight and your miles have not been credited, you can request missing credit by filling out the mileage credit request form. To redeem your Delta SkyMiles for flights, start by searching for flights on the Delta website or mobile app. On the Delta homepage, select your travel dates, destination, and the number of passengers. You can then choose to view prices in dollars or miles. When viewing prices in miles, you will see the number of miles required for a one-way or round-trip ticket. You can filter your search results by the number of miles required, as well as by flight schedule and availability. Once you have found a flight that suits your needs, select it and proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will be prompted to log into your SkyMiles account and confirm that you want to redeem miles for the flight. You can also use the Delta SkyMiles award chart to determine the number of miles required for a particular flight. The award chart is based on the region you are traveling to and the time of year, so be sure to check it before booking your flight. Best practices for redeeming Delta SkyMiles include being flexible with your travel dates, as this can help you find more award availability. You should also consider booking your flights well in advance, as award seats can fill up quickly. Additionally, you can use your Delta SkyMiles to upgrade your flight or book a one-way ticket, which can be a good option if you are having trouble finding award availability for a round-trip ticket. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most of your Delta SkyMiles and enjoy free or discounted flights.